Hi guys, welcome to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. My name is Naomi Arnold and today I am here to do a little get ready with me using the products from the March Beauty Box. So before we get into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to Look Fantastic. Also hit that like button, and if you haven't already, hit that bell button to get notified every single time Look Fantastic uploads a new video. So this is the Look Fantastic Beauty Box for March, and can we just appreciate the design of this month's box? The idea behind this month's box is beauty beyond boundaries, and this month we received 7 products, and honestly, I love every single one of them. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing a little get ready with me, showing you the products and how I use them. But enough of me rambling, let's get into the get ready with me. So I'm gonna start off with skincare and we'll go from there. Good morning, everyone. So it is currently 7 in the morning. I've just woken up and we're gonna go through the skincare products that we received in this month's box. So my skin is currently looking quite dull this morning. I have a little bit of makeup left under my eyes. So the first product I'm going to be using is the AHAVA Deadsea Cleansing Mud Soap. And this is actually a purifying soap that you can use on the face and on the body. Just going to wipe my face with a warm flannel to begin with. And then I'm going to take the soap, just wet it. And then just massage it in my hands just to lather it up. I love the smell of this. It smells so luxurious and it smells so natural, but it has such a lovely spa fragrance to it. One thing I really do like about this cleanser is that when you put it on the skin, it doesn't feel drying. It feels really silky smooth and you can easily massage it into the skin. And I'm really going to focus on my breakout areas, which is my neck at the moment. I'm actually someone that has got dry, sensitive skin, and a majority of cleansers do irritate my skin. But this one, there is no reaction, like there is no redness to my skin at all. It feels so good. Another thing I like about this cleanser is that when you wash it away, you're not left with that really tight skin feel, which I can't stand. And I pat my skin dry. I love a good morning skincare routine. Like, it always sets me for the day. It's just a great form of self-care as well. Next, I'm gonna be using the Fab First Aid Beauty Facial Radiant Pads. So this is a facial pad infused with ingredients to promote a natural healthy glow to your complexion. Suitable for a daily use, they work to reduce the look of pores and fine lines whilst brightening and smoothing the skin. Safe to use for even the most sensitive skin types. So let's test that. Oh, they smell nice. So this is what the pad looks like. One side is all bumpy and then one side is all smooth. And I just want to say that I love the packaging. Like, the packaging for this is like a resealable one. So you can just take out one pad and then easily fold it down and have it stick. So let's go ahead and use this. So I'm just going to use the exfoliating side on my nose. Oh, there's a lot of product on this. I was actually quite surprised. Let's go ahead and use this all over my skin. This will be a great product to use on the go on those no makeup days in the summer when you just want to refresh your face. It doesn't feel irritating, and as you can see, once again, I've had no redness appear on my skin. These feel really nice on the skin. I'm really impressed with these. So next I'm going to be using the Polar Ice Source Moisturizing Cream with iceberg water. This is actually a leave-on face mask that you put on your skin and you let sink in. I really want the smell of the perfume. It smells so good. Let's go ahead and massage this in. So I've only got a small amount. And it'll be interesting to see what this does to my dry skin. It definitely has a cooling effect on the skin as well, which once again will feel amazing on my dry sensitive skin. Oh, that feels really nice. I actually look like I have a little bit of life in me this morning now. So the last skincare item I'm going to be using this morning is the Bloom and Blossom Wonder Worker Multitasking Balm. This has got such a lovely lavender fragrance to it that I absolutely adore. Like, this will be such a great multitasking balm to use at night, especially if you're someone that struggles to sleep. So this is a multitasking balm, and one of my favorite things about this balm is that it's a little bit more on the oily side, which my skin adores. So I'm actually going to go ahead and focus this on the sides of my nose where I get a lot of redness and dryness, and on my lips because my lips at the moment are so dry. Like, whenever the seasons change, my lips just get so irritated and dry. They always like whack on as much lip product or multitasking balms as possible. I'm just gonna massage this next to my nose as well. So one of the best things about multitasking balms is that you can literally use it for anything. I personally like to use it on my lips and on the dry sides of my nose, but I also use multitasking balms on my hands, especially on my knuckles during the winter. Oh my god, the sun has decided to come in and say hello, and honestly I feel so good this morning. My skin is loving life right now. It is so soft, it is so hydrated, and it has got such a lovely glow to it as well. And I can't wait to try the makeup side now, so let's go on to that. So looking a little bit different now, I have got a face of makeup on and I'm ready to try out the makeup products that we received in this month's March beauty box. So one of the first items that we received is the Brushworks double-ended brow brush. I think everyone needs to have a brow brush in their collection because brow brushes are actually so universal. You can use them for so many different things. So for example, I actually like using the angle side for gel eyeliner and other eyeliner products, or to smoke out pencil eyeliner. And obviously this spoolie can be used for so many different things. You can use it on your brows to help fluffing your brows out. You can use it to help fluffing out any brow product, but you can also use it on your lashes after using a mascara to help brush out any clumps. And the fact that we received such a cute, pretty one in this month's box makes me so happy. So as you can see, I've already got my brows filled in, but I'm just going to take the spoolie side of the brush and fluff it out my brows, and just to blend out that product, just so my brows don't look too harsh. So the next makeup item we received is the Lottie London AM to PM eyeliner, and this is a retractable eyeliner, which I absolutely love. I hate sharpening eyeliners and lip liners. I find it so messy, I find it so annoying, so having a retractable one just makes my life so much easier. So I haven't got any eye makeup on at the moment, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this to underline my waterline. This eyeliner just goes on so smoothly, it doesn't irritate, it doesn't feel scratchy. Does anyone else pull weird faces when they do their liner, or is it just me? I might use this with the angled eyebrow brush just to add a little something to the top lash line. So with the top and lower lash line done, I'm just going to go ahead and use the eyebrow brush to gently smoke out the top lash line, just so it doesn't look too harsh. And once again, as I said, these brushes can be used for multi-purpose. I love this brush. This brush feels so nice on the skin, like it doesn't feel sharp like some brushes. So that's it for the eyeliner, and as you can see, it was just so easy to use. So the only product left from this month's box, which I haven't used in this video, is the Christophe Robin Regenerating Mask with Rare Prickly Pear Seed Oil. Now I'm actually waiting to use this on a hair wash day because I don't really want to waste the product. This product is meant to help protect your hair from a split end, and it's meant to moisturize your hair, which my hair really needs, especially with lockdown. I can't wait for the hairdressers to open. So that is it for this little get ready with me using the products from the Look Fantastic Beauty Box for March. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did enjoy it, make sure you hit that like button and comment down below what your favorite item was from this month's box. I would love to read your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel, and also go ahead and subscribe to the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. You will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you all next time. Bye!